Master Google Docs in just 60 seconds. Essential tips and shortcuts to work faster. Tip 1. Use Control or Command K to insert links instantly. Type, select, press K. Use styles for consistent headings. Apply heading 1 or heading 2 from the toolbar. Navigate long docs with the outline pane. Click View, then Show Document Outline. Speed up edits with shortcuts. Control or Command B for bold, Control or Command Shift C for word count. Use revision history to restore edits and see who changed what. File, version history. Collaborate faster. Comment with Control or Command Alt-M. Tag teammates with @ and assign tasks. Suggest mode keeps edits tracked. Switch from editing to suggesting in the top right menu. Voice typing is a game changer. Tools, voice typing, speak clearly and watch text appear. Insert images via drag and drop, or use Explore to find and cite resources quickly. Use templates and add-ons to speed workflows. Browse the template gallery for ready-made layouts. Quick recap: links, styles, outline, shortcuts, version history, collaboration. Practice these daily.